morning, children. Welcome to Upper Public School online class. Myself, Kavita Reddy. I am handling grade 5 English. Today, let me start with lesson 1, a bottle of dew. Before that, children, already we have completed like parts of the speech, almost all. So, today, let us start from the textbook. First lesson is a bottle of dew. A bottle of dew is written by Sudha Murthy. She is born in Karnataka itself from Haveri district. She wrote many books and she is one of the chairperson of Infosys company also, right? And before that, I want to say you take your book English reader and hold the pencil in your hand. Wherever I say to underline the word, you have to underline. So I'll be reading the lesson. Go on, keep the finger on that line and go on listening the words or the sentence. Let me start, children. The story you are going to read is called A Bottle of Dew by Sudha Murthy. It is one of the 37 short stories. You can read it in the book, The Magic Drum and Other Favorite Stories. This tale is about a man who dreams of becoming very rich by using a magic potion. Potion is nothing but it is a liquid. It can change anything into gold when you sprinkle it or when you touch to that object, right? So let me start with the lesson. I'll be reading line by line. Just you go on listening and please take the pencil wherever it is necessary. I'll be saying you to underline the words. Ramnatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him large tracts of land when he died. Right? Here Ramnatha was a person. He was a son of a rich landlord. Rich landlord, landlord. Underline landlord. Right? It is a new word. Please underline it. Landlord. Landlord. Landlord is nothing but who is having large tracts of land. He is the owner of the land. Right? His father earned, but he was not using at all when he died, right? But Ramnathan did not spend even one day looking after his land. That means he was not interested in that land at all. He was having some other ideas. What is that idea? Let us read it and we'll confirm it. This was because he had a funny idea that there exists. Exist means it should happen, right? A magic potion which, if touched to any object, turn it into gold. What was his funny idea? Wherever he touches or wherever he sprinkles it should turn into gold. Because he was very lazy, I think so, in this lesson, according to this. So what he want to do, just by sitting, he want to earn the money. He don't want to work in his father's land. So what happened here? He spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. Already I said you what is the potion. Potion. Potion is nothing but a drink that people think has magical effects, right? Wherever he sprinkles. He spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. People cheated him often. Cheated means people used to say that we are going to teach how to do the potion, but they couldn't do that. But this man was not leaving them. He was always back of those people who are going to teach him. But they used to make fool because Ramnathan was rich man. Already I informed you. Even his father earned lot of land, promising to tell him about it. But he did not give up. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried. Worried means what, children, here? Anxious, disturbed, because she saw how much money Ramnatha was spending. She was sure that soon they would be left paupers. Paupers means is a poor person. One day or other day they are going to become poor. Here what happened? Let me explain this para once again. Ramnathan was the son of a rich landlord. Already I informed you. But when father died, Ramnathan's father died, He earned lot of tracts or large tracts of land, but this Ramnadan never worked in that land at all. Always he was only having one idea to prepare a potion. So what happened here? He was not ready to work in the land, but he want money. Ready-made should be there for him. He don't want to struggle. He was not ready to work at all, but he was only back preparing the potion. It was not possible, but then also this man was not ready to leave that and to work in the field. He was not ready. The wife name was Madhumati. She got fed up when she was worrying about him. When my husband is going to change, when this person Ramnada is going to change, he is not ready to listen me, nor he is ready to work in the field. Always he was back of only the persons who are going to teach him the portion. So by they used to cheat him by saying that we are going to teach you how to prepare a potion. It was not possible, but Ramnathan was not ready to listen at all. The wife got fed up and she said that one day or other day definitely we'll become paupers. Paupers means very poor, right? So this is the first para. Next, Vanda, a famous sage. Sage means what, children? Who is like a sadhu, right? Sage. Sage is a very wise man also. He was very clever also. This sage name is Mahipati. What is his name? Mahipati. First was Ramnada. Ramnada. Okay, he is the son. Then comes Madhumati. Madhumati is wife of Ramnada, and here Mahipati is none other than he is a sage. He came from Himalayas to Ramnada's town, right? This Ramnada, Mahipati was a sage. He was very clever and he was very wise. He was having vast knowledge also. So one day, a famous sage, a famous sage called Mahipati came to the town. Whose town? Ramnada town. Ramnada became his follower and asked him about the potion. To his surprise, the sage answered, "Yes, in my travels in the Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process." So everyone was cheating him in the village because of money. But then also this man couldn't change at all. One day, to a same way Ramnada was staying, there a person comes sage. He came from Himalaya and he was very clever already, I said you. Even he becomes, Ramnada becomes follower of the sage. Then the sage says, I'm going to teach you how to do the potion, right? But you have to follow my process. You have to follow my rules. Whatever I say, if you follow, definitely you are going to prepare a potion. Tell me. Insisted. Insisted means forcefully. Underline insisted. Right? Forcefully. That is demanded. Ramnada not believing his luck. You have to plant a banana tree and water it regularly with your own hands. In winter, the morning dew, D-E-W, dew. Dew is nothing but like DEW, dew means water drops which has been collected on the leaves in winter season. That is called as dew. So what happens here? In winter, the morning dew will settle on its leaves. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. I will chant. C-H-A-N-T. Chant means repeating. Again and again, repeating the same words. A secret mantra, which will turn it into the magic potion. A drop of this potion will transform any object into gold. So Ramnada was back of stage. Mahipati says, whatever I say, if you listen, then definitely you can prepare the potion. Potion. Potion is nothing but it is a liquid which turns into gold, right? Like magic, liquid. Can can turn into gold wherever he touches or to whatever we want to turn it. So what happens here? Then he says, please follow my rules, then definitely you can get the portion. Then Ramanathan says, okay, says whatever you say, I want to do it. That he forcibly insisted. Forcibly means insisting, demanding, please save me. He was back of that. Then he says, you have any a lot of land, tracts of land your father earned and kept. Till now you never worked at all. Do one thing better. You go and work in that land, you plant your own banana trees, right? You pour water regularly, but you have to do by your own hands. You can't take anybody's help. When the plant grows in winter, on the leaves you can see the dew, D-E-W, dew. Dew is nothing but already I said you that collection of water on the leaves. So you have to collect it. Like that, you have to fill the bottle and bring it to me. When it becomes 5 liters, that means full bottle, 5 liters of water you have to fill with the dew. When you fill the dew, please get it to me. I will chant some mantras like that. Secret mantras I am going to repeat it. Chant means repeating, saying those, and I will turn or transform. Transform is changing it into potion into any like magic. Wherever you touch it, it turns into gold. Then he becomes okay. He was very happy also to do this one. Ramnatha was worried, but winter is only for few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. First he was happy because he thought that at last I'm going to get the potion, how to prepare the potion so that I can change everything or whatever the things I want to change it can be changed. But here what happens? He was thinking, he was worrying, worried. Worried means what children? Worried, worried already I informed you. Worried, anxious, right? Disturbed. Worried means disturbed. How he got disturbed? That he was thinking, is it possible to collect 5 liters of dew in a bottle? Winter comes once in a year, that too it will be almost on like 3 to 4 months. It was not possible, so he was worried. Then what he planned it, just once again he goes to Sage. Who will go? Ramanatha will go to Sage. You can plant as many trees as you want, but remember you must look after them yourself and collect the dew with your own hands. Once again he goes there and he says, Sage, it's not possible I think. How I should collect 5 liters of dew? Is it possible to collect it? Then he says, you can collect it, but you have to work hard. How you are going to work it means now already you have planted few, right? Like this, you do it continuously, rows to row means collected, planted so many banana plants and pour it, and you have to do by your own hand. When it is fulfilled, that 5 liters of dew then come to me. Ramnatha went home and after talking to his wife, started clearing his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. So he didn't work at all these many days. The land was waste, it was not working. So what he will do now, he will go and he and his wife Madhumati both went together and started cleaning the land or the large field which was waste or that it was not using at all, which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows and rows of banana trees. He tended. Tended means to look after them carefully, and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. His wife helped him too. Madhumati gathered the banana crop. Crop means is a plant that is grown for food, usually on a farm. Means whatever we can take from the banana, like banana, branches, leaves, stem, whatever is useful, she was collecting all. Look it took it to the market and got a good price for it. Over the years, Ramnatha planted more and more trees and they had a huge banana plantation. At the end of 6 years, he finally had is 5 liters of dew. So before, whatever the idea suggested by Sage, he thought it was easy. He was happy and he started planting also. But he got an idea or he got thinking that worried about is it possible to collect? Then he goes and say inform to the Mahipati. Here Mahipati says need not worry. You can go and plant again more and more banana plants like row to row, right? Then he started planting those. He took the help of wife also. Both together they went to the field, they cleaned everything and they started planting the banana plants. They started pouring the water and even the plant started growing. It was yielding also. Then later what happens? He collected. At the end of 6 years, he finally had 5 liters of dew. Carefully, he took the bottle to the sage. Whatever he collected, he struggled a lot. Then he collected it by his own hands by taking help of his wife. The sage smiled and muttered. Muttered means saying something very quietly. It's not clear. A mantra over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, try it out. Ramnatha sprinkled a few drops of dew on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his dismay, nothing happened. Dismay means feeling of being very upset or sad or worried. Why he was worried means whatever the sage said, Mahipati he followed. He planted banana, this one plants. He poured the water by what to say without taking anybody's help. He poured by his own hands, taking only wife's help. Then it was grown. Then he collected the dew in the bottle, and when it collected, he took it to the sage Mahipati. Mahipati said by taking that bottle, he chanted some mantras and he gave back the bottle to Ramnatha and he said to sprinkle it on anything. So what Ramnatha did here? He sprinkled it on a copper vessel. He waited also. But there is no change at all. There is no turn. It means it didn't turn into gold. Then he started dismay. He became worried. He was upset. This is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. Precious means it is very costly, or these many days he might have done some other. But instead of that, he was only back of planting banana trees to collect the dew. So he started saying that, say, listening you, I have struggled a lot, but I become very upset at last. I couldn't turn. You said that whatever the dew has been collected, it is like a potion, you can change the things. But when I sprinkled it on the copper vessel, it didn't change at all. Now, so that I have become very dismayed, and that is worried. Then, but sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. She came with a big box. When she opened it, inside glinted. Glinted means like shining, very bright. Stacks of gold coins. Stacks means piles. Whatever the box is there, here she collected all the money, whatever like piles, right? Or heap also. H-E-A-P, heap, P-I-L, pile. Next, she brought this box and kept in front of the sage and Ramnatha. Now the sage turned to the astonished. Astonished means very surprised. Ramnatha and said, there is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation while you looked after the trees. Your wife sold the fruits in the market. That's how you got this money. It was your hard work that created this wealth. Wealth means money, right? Wealth. Wealth. You can underline children. Later I'll say but once again. Well, not magic. If I had told you about this early, you would not have listened to me. So I played a trick on you. Ramnaga understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on this plantation from that day onwards, right? Now, what I want to say is, at last, anyhow, we prepared the 5 liters of dew, right? He brought it to the Mahipati and gave it. Mahipati chanted some mantras and he gave back that bottle to Ramnada. Ramnada sprinkled on a vessel that was silver vessel. He was waiting for we was waiting for few minutes or few seconds, but it didn't change at all. Because of that, he became upset again. The sage will say that it is not possible. Without hard work, you can't gain anything, right? So you have to work hard. If I said you before, then you might have not worked in the field with your wife. Without any hard work, any struggling, you can't gain anything in your life. So because of this, I made this trick. So at last, what is this? The wife, whatever Ramnada has planted, she took all those banana plants to market and sold it. By that, whatever she got it, she collected and kept in the box. That is what happened. So at last, Ramnadan felt very bad and I wasted these many days. But in return, my wife gave me lot back to me. So next time, I should not repeat all this. Even children, in your life also, you have to struggle hard and work, then only you can gain good marks. And this birds and work even harder on the plantation from that day onwards. That means he started working in his whatever the father left the tracks of field. Then he realized it. Without hard work, I can't gain anything. From that day onwards, he started working a lot. Even children, in your life, if you study well, if you struggle, if you complete the notes, everything, then only you can gain the good marks. Without struggle, without hard work, you can't gain anything. By this chapter, we come to know that you have to struggle a lot. So let me start with the, now I'm going to write new words on the board. Just you underline it in your textbook. See, already I have wrote it landlord. Landlord. Second one sage. Third dew. Fourth one potion. Fifth one buried. Sixth one. Let me write six. Sixth one. Chance. Seventh one. Is gathered. Gathered. Eighth one. Precious. 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 Then ninth one. Stacks. 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 Tenth one. Wisdom. So you can underline all these words in your textbook. Right, children? You can underline it and you can memorize it also. You can come to know the meaning of all these words. Now, what I want to say is, here I'll go with the textbook. Meanings are here. Just let me read. Dew. What is the dew? Already I informed you. Dew is a liquid. It has been collected on the leaves in winter season. It is a drop of water that gathered on the ground and on the leaves during the night. See, this is the leaf. Already we know that this is the banana plant, right? On this, here water drops are collected. This is nothing but dew. DEW, right? Next, potion. Potion is a drink that people think has a magical effects. Now, whatever div is there, it has been turned into potion. Potion. Potion is nothing but it is a magic liquid. It is going to affect the wherever you sprinkle it. Then pauper. Pauper is means what? Becoming very poor. In this lesson itself, in the textbook, it is there. Just you can say it. Next comes sage. A sage is a very wise person. Next, you can see tend. Tend is what? Something or someone you look after them. A crop. Crop is a plant that is grown for food, usually on a farm. Farm is field. The word crop is often used to talk about the amount of food that a farmer produces. For example, here Madhumati and Ramnatha both together, they worked in the field. They have planted those together, right? They have planted so many banana plantation they have done, right? So whatever you get here, what you are going to get from that plants, you will be getting banana, leaf, stem. All these are used in the market to sell it. The same thing is done by the Madhumati. Mutters. They say something very quietly and not clearly. They will be saying inside only. It's not clear, but we can hear some sound is coming, but it's not clear at all. Dismay is a feeling of being very upset or worried. Dismay means very worried. Thinking. Glints. Glints means shines or looks very brightly. For example, here Madhumati collected in the box whatever the coins or the money she got after selling the banana plants. She kept in that box. When she opened in front of Mahipati and Ramnatha, it was glinting, means shining. Then he became astonished. Means like how from where my wife has collected this much money or whatever she kept in the box. At last, the sage gave all the information or the story how your wife has collected those money. Even you can see in the picture also. Next, astonished. You are very surprised. Something good happens like suddenly you will be surprised. So this is what about the story A Bottle of Dew. Now I think it's very clear for you the lesson. And here the three roles are there. Ramnatha, first one is Ramnatha, second is Madhumati, and third is Mahipati. I think you all have underlined the new words in your textbook itself. Now let me say once again, just in this, three roles are there. One is Ramnatha, right? Ramnatha. Second is Madhumati. Third is Mahipati. Already I informed you beginning only. Mahipati is sage. Madhumati is wife of Ramnatha, and Ramnatha was the son of rich landlord. So these three roles are there in this lesson. Now Ramnatha was which type? He was like which type characters he was having? He was not ready to work in the field. Just he want to do some miracles should happen, some funny things should happen. Always he was thinking about that. Next, Madhumati. Madhumati was wife of Ramnatha. Already I said you, she got fed up because he was wasting the money like anything. So she thought that one day or other day will become paupers. Paupers means poor. Why means because of his behavior. Then third is Mahipati in this lesson. He is the sage. He came from Himalayas to Ramnada's farm. So now from this lesson, we got an idea how to survive in the life, how to stay in day-to-day life. So even we have to work hard. There won't be any funny ideas can't be existed in the life. Not potion can be prepared, nor any magics are going to happen. So by this, today let me stop here. Whatever I have means like I have completed the lesson. Next class, I'll be going with the